Alright folks, this is the majestic showdown you've been waiting for. iPhone 16 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24. These phones are the kings of 2024, but let's see what real users, market trends, and launch prices say before you pick a side. Starting with design, Apple's titanium body feels premium, super light, and durable. Users love how sleek it is, but some say it's a bit slippery without a case. Samsung's aluminum glass build, it's bold, sturdy, and comes in fun colors. The Galaxy S24 wins points for its personality, but people say it's a fingerprint magnet. Both are stunners, though. Same goes with the displays. Both are top-notch. iPhone's 6.7-inch OLED with promotion is smooth and easy on the eyes, but Samsung's 6.8-inch AMOLED is brighter and more vibrant. Great for outdoor use. Users rave about the Galaxy's colors, but iPhone fans swear by the natural tones and better battery efficiency on Apple's screen. The most excellent part is yet to come. The iPhone's A18 Bionic chip blows away benchmarks, especially in gaming and heavy apps, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the Galaxy handles multitasking like a pro. Both are super fast, but users note the Galaxy can get a little warm under pressure, while the iPhone stays cool but limits customization. Now cameras, this is spicy. The iPhone's 48-megapixel shooter is praised for its natural colors and low-light performance, but the Galaxy's 200-megapixel main camera with crazy zoom has been stealing the show. Users say Samsung nails versatility, but some photos can feel overly processed. Meanwhile, iPhone keeps it simple and consistent, but lacks the wow factor in zoom. Then we went directly to the battery. Both last all day, but Samsung's 45-watt fast charging is a massive win, while iPhone's slower charging annoys users. On the flip side, Apple's battery efficiency is praised for lasting longer with lighter use. Samsung's reverse wireless charging is a nice bonus too. At launch, the iPhone 16 Pro Max started at around $1,199, while the Galaxy S24 came in at $999. Current market trends show Samsung dropping in price quicker, making it a better deal right now. But here's the kicker. iPhone users say it holds its resale value better, so if you're thinking long-term, Apple's got you covered. For software, iPhone's iOS 17 is clean, intuitive, and perfect for people already in the Apple ecosystem. Samsung's One UI 6 on Android 14 is highly customizable, but some users find it overwhelming at first. Apple fans love the simplicity, while Samsung users love having more control. The negatives? iPhone users are annoyed about the slow charging speeds and limited zoom, while Galaxy users mention its bulkier size and occasional heating issues during heavy use. So, who is going to win? If you're all about sleek design, top-notch performance, and are deep in the Apple ecosystem, go for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But if you want crazy camera features, faster charging, and more customization, the Galaxy S24 is calling your name. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Apple or Team Samsung?